What is up, guys? My name is Oleg, this is Bond. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm just making this video. I'm gonna make it short and sweet. This is just basically a thank you video. Thank you guys so much for following, for commenting, for liking the videos, and most importantly for watching the videos. We just reached 1,000 subscribers. I can't tell you how we feel. We feel very happy, we feel very blessed. For me, 1,000 subscribers, that's a big number. Again, in YouTube sphere, 1,000 subscribers is not that many. If I was a beautiful girl with a big ass, I'd probably reach that in like a week. Unfortunately, I'm a man with a regular sized butt, so I have to do it the old-fashioned way, reviewing watches. So once again, thank you so much for subscribing, for liking, for commenting, for sharing. I really appreciate it. We're gonna bring you more great content, more watch reviews, more unboxings, more talking watches, more snoring of Bond in the videos, whether you like it or not. He's not gonna stop. And next week, as promised, I'm gonna do a review of a watch that costs $25,000. My friend has lent me that watch, so I'm really excited to do that video, and I'm really excited for the future of the channel and for our little community. I really appreciate all you guys' feedback, everything that you do, and let's keep growing, let's keep going. Let's see if we can get to 10, maybe 20, maybe 100,000 subscribers at some point in the future. I'd of course really like that, and I want to keep on bringing you more objective, but obviously very subjective because it's coming from my point of view, watch reviews, and bring you more great content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.